The Open Files on Client-Side feature is a really helpful option in TSplus. It gives you more flexibility, and it can also reduce what you need to install on the server. Here's how it works. To set this up, open the TSplus admin tool and go to Sessions, then Settings. There, you'll find the option called Open Files on Client-Side. In the configuration window, you can add the file extensions you want to open locally. Just click Add a new file type and enter extensions like .docs or .xlsx or any other supported format. Once they're added, any file with those extensions will automatically open on the client side, as long as the user connects using a supported TSplus connection method. This works with TSplus generated clients, including Seamless, Remote App, and other TSplus client connections. It also works through the TSplus web portal, using either Windows-based connections or HTML5. One important note, this feature does not work with standard RDP clients like Microsoft MSTSC. For more information and advanced documentation, please visit our website, tsplus.me.